question is, a man on the top of a vertical tower observes a car moving at a uniform speed coming directly towards it. If it takes 12 minutes for the angle of depression to change from 30 degree to 45 degree, how soon after this will the car reach the tower? So there is a road in which a car is moving towards the tower. There is a tower on the other end. The man is observing from the top of the tower. So the horizontal line is required at the line of vision, point of vision. Now the man observes initially the car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. First he observes angle of depression, so going down from horizontal line is 30 degree. Then after 12 minutes, so car is moving towards the tower. After 12 minutes, car reaches to a point where the angle of depression is 45 degree. So in 12 minutes the angle changes from 30 degree to 45 degree. Then how much time will require for car to reach the tower? This time is we need to find. So by the diagram and from the geometry we can write this angle as 30 degree and this angle as 45 degree by alternate angles, alternate interior angles. Now the height of the tower is also not given and any other distances are also not given. So we mark the distance and the length, like height of the tower is h. Then from this point A to the next point B, the distance is x, and from B to base of the tower, that is point C, the distance is y, and the top of the tower is D. So we have two triangles but no measurement of sides are given. Very important condition given in the question is uniform speed. We know that speed is equals to distance upon time. Now if speed is same, if for first a part of the distance, if it is distance d1 upon time t1, and for the second part of the distance speed is equals to distance d2 upon time t2, and it is given that it is uniform speed, means these two speeds are equal. So we can write d1 upon t1 is equals to d2 upon t2. Now this is very important result which we will be using in this question. So let us take one by one both the triangles. First, in triangle DCB, we will use tangent of 45 degree, which will be h upon y. So tan 45 degree is 1. We can cross multiply y over here, so y into 1 is equals to h, or we can write y is equals to h as first equation. Now in another triangle, triangle ACD, the bigger triangle, again tan 30 degree, which is opposite side h upon adjacent side x plus y. So we have 1 upon root 3 is equals to h upon x plus y, or if we cross multiply we will get x plus y is equals to h root 3. If we use equation 1 in this equation 2, we can put y is equals to h. So we have two equations where y is equals to h, equation 1, and x plus y is equals to h root 3, equation 2. So here we can replace y, so x plus h is equals to h root 3, or x is equals to h root 3 minus h, and taking h common, root 3 minus 1. So we got the value of x as root h into root 3 minus 1, and value of y as equal to h. And if we see this equation which we derived for uniform speed, distance d1, if suppose x is our distance d1, then 12 is time t1. So we can write, in place of d1 upon d2, d1 upon t1, we can write x upon 12. Now d1 upon t1 was equal to d2 upon t2 because of uniform speed. This is distance, second distance is y, and for that particular distance time is t, which is our required answer, is y upon t. Now we know the value of x in terms of h from this equation. We know the value of y in terms of h from the first equation. So if we substitute those values, we get h into root 3 minus 1 upon 12 is equals to h upon t. So from both the side we can cancel h as a common factor, and by cross multiplication we get t is equals to 12 upon root 3 minus 1. So this is the time which the car will take to reach the tower from point B. Now we need to further simplify this answer, as because the denominator is having irrational number. So rationalizing the denominator by root 3 plus 1, we get 12 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square 1, that is 3 minus 1 2, and we can reduce it to time, required time is 6 into root 3 plus 1 minutes. So this is the required time for the car to reach the tower from point B.